Hey everyone, and welcome in for today for another video. This is Simple How-Tos by J&A, and today we're going to be covering cruise essentials for any type of cruise. And so this is going to be helpful regardless of what brand of cruise you're going on. This is going to be stuff you're going to want to have with you. So to start out, to make traveling easier, passport covers are really good. It helps protect your passport, keeps them safe, keeps them where they're not getting beat up. And then also when you're at the ports, a locking back pad is really great to have. That way no one's being able to mess with your stuff. And with this one that's linked here, it's very large, so it has a lot of capacity. You're able to bring in everything that you need onto the ports, whether that be water, towels, a change of clothes, whatever you might need. And to help keep your stateroom organized, it's really important to bring laundry bags, what we found out, because then every time you change clothes, you put your dirty clothes in the laundry bag, and then you go ahead and throw it in your suitcase at the end of the week or however long your cruise is. And then another really good thing to bring are some magnetic hooks, because the stateroom's all magnetic, so you can attach them to the walls and hang up whatever you need. And then power strips aren't really encouraged on a lot of the cruise lines, so a charging block's really good because there's not a lot of outlets, so this way you have plenty of plugs and USB ports and everything you need to charge all your devices and keep functioning to your fullest extent. And then we've never used them, but we always have them in case we need them, but motion sickness medicine, Dramamine patches and pills, it's great to have, and if you need it, a lot of people take it. So we've never needed it, but we've always have it accessible in case we do. Some fun things to have, scuba equipment. We have found this to be a lot of fun at almost all the islands we've been to. It's very important to us not to use scuba gear that someone else has used, so we like to bring our own. And an underwater camera is really a lot of fun too, because just by using the scuba gear and the underwater camera, you're able to get lots of cool pictures and videos of all the tropical fish down in the Caribbean. It's just a whole lot of fun. It automatically gives you something to do on the islands that you don't have to pay for. So a lot of really cool stuff there. And I'm going to link all of the items in the description here. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. I hope if you're getting ready to cruise soon that you have a great trip. Have a great day.